Hey! Oh! Hey! Bro, I know you're. Oh, hey! It's fair! It's fair! Percebe que está sangrando. O zagueiro se levanta e vai tirar satisfação.
Why, you got something you want to communicate to the team? You want to communicate something? You're a big boy. No, you're a big boy. You want to say big.
Like you said, can we finish that time?
No, you're moaning about everything.
What have I moaned about today?
Joey, test me. Test me. I'm enough moaning. Enough for the fucking moaning. Bad fucking football. What gives you the fucking right to moan about everything? It's fucking life, okay? Fucking play.
You know that.
Well, we've just been watching training behind us, and it looked like Higuain and Luis came together. It was a bit of a, I'm not sure if a misunderstanding or just not pleased with each other. A couple of challenges went in, but words were exchanged, and has wandered off. Probably not what you want to see. Here goes the
It does raise concerns, and something must have gone on. You know, you obviously have a group of players with big personalities, and the last thing you need or want is for one of your players to get injured. But something has gotten the manager very angry in that situation, as you can see.
Nein, null. Das Ding ist, man sagt mir nicht für die Mannschaft. Man sagt dir Sachen. Was sagst du mir? Ich gebe dir Anweisungen, du sagst nie ins Gesicht. Du sagst immer so hinten. Der macht was er will. Sagst du mir, mach nicht, was er will.
Jones, and it's Phil Jones's miss that means it's Derby County's night.
Aí, what did smile? Why did you smile? What?
The ball's already out anyway in the first place. You lost. Nah, move out of the way. No, come on, move. Cheating on that. Now hit the top one on the knee, and then I'll kick it.
Schon! Nach welchen Ideen spielst du hier Fußball? Du kommst ins Training und du machst nur, was du willst. Es ist kein einziger Ball dabei für unser Spiel. Es ist nur dein eigenes Spiel. Hier noch ein Ding, da noch ein